In this bookmarking lesson, we're going to look at using the Bookmark Text by Example tool. Section titles in a PDF document have the same style of text, so we can use the tool to find this text that matches specified criteria to bookmark the sections. Open your document in Adobe Acrobat and highlight a section title with the cursor. Go to Plugins in the upper menu, select Bookmark and then Bookmark Text by Example. The Add Bookmarks by Example window will appear. Click Run at the bottom. After processing, a dialog box will show the number of bookmarks that have been created. Click OK and close the Add Bookmarks by Example window. Now that they've been generated, the bookmarks will appear in the left pane. Next, we'll look at bookmarking subsections and sorting bookmarks. This document also has subsections that we want to bookmark. However, some parts of the text have the same visual style as these subsection titles. For example here, where this page header is also written in italics. Let's begin by selecting a subsection title with the cursor, including the subsection number. Go to Plugins in the upper menu, select Bookmark, and then Bookmark Text by Example. The Add Bookmarks by Example window will then appear. Click Clear Styles and Add Style from selected text. Next, go to the Text Filter drop-down menu and change No Restrictions to first character as digit, and then click Run. After processing, the dialog box will show the number of bookmarks that have been created. Click OK and close the Add Bookmarks by Example window. The new bookmarks will appear in the bookmark pane on the left. To show you how we can sort these, go to Plugins in the upper menu, select Bookmark, and then Merge Duplicate Titles. Click OK in the pop-up window that shows. Now we can sort these bookmarks. Select all the subsection titles starting from 2 and drag them under the Section 2 bookmark. Do the same for subsections of Section 3. Highlight them and drag them to where they need to be. This completes bookmarking the document and sorting the bookmarks into a desired order. If there's a large number of bookmarks to be made for a PDF document, then sorting the bookmarks manually like we just looked at can be a tedious task. If this is the case, then there is an alternative one-click option to sort the bookmarks effectively with the AutoBookmark plugin. To do this, go to Plugins in the upper menu, select Bookmarks, then Sort and Sort Bookmarks. The Sort Bookmarks window will then appear. Check the Sort Bookmarks alphabetically option and then uncheck the Sort Only Bookmarks with the following titles option below. Then click OK. Now look at the bookmarks pane on the left. These should have been placed into a perfect order. Visit Evermap.com for more PDF solutions.